Okay guys, 2024 Chrysler Pacifica. This is a select hybrid, plug-in hybrid actually. EVRAP. It is a rebuilt title. Damage is right here in this door. Really light damage for a rebuild. So power sliding doors, 7 passenger. So 34,775 on the miles, adaptive cruise. It's got lane assist, AC, power windows, locks and mirrors, power sliding doors, power lift gate. See, it's got a heated steering wheel, seats, navigation. Walk around this a little more. Floor mats, leather seats, three seat belts there in the back, some cup holders. It's got good tires on it. I believe these are kind of stow and go and come flat. They can be put inside here. Again, rebuilt title, damage is right here, all been fixed up. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.